Hi guys, today I will compare the sound of two Anker speakers, the Anker SoundCore 2 and the Anker Premium. As you can see, the Premium is larger, heavier device, while the SoundCore 2 is a more compact speaker. Currently the SoundCore 2 costs around $40, while you can buy the Premium around $55. Regarding the audio hardware, the Premium has two 10W drivers and dual passive radiators, whereas the SoundCore 2 houses two 6W drivers and the passive radiator. So in terms of hardware, the Premium is a more advanced speaker. Let's see how they perform. I will play some songs on the speakers and tell my personal opinion at the end of the video. So let's play the music, please put on your headphones. Overall, I think both speakers have a pretty decent sound. The lows and the bass are definitely better by the Premium, its highs and mids are a bit muddy and feel hollow sounding. However, I think it has a better and bigger overall sound. However, let me know what do you think about the speakers and write your vote in a comment. If you liked the video, please press the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I was Norbert Kopasz and you watched The Speaker Fanatic.